How to make traditional American cookies. Cookies are a beloved dessert in the United States and have been enjoyed for generations. They are a classic treat that can be enjoyed on their own or paired with a glass of milk or cup of tea. Ingredients: 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsalted butter at room temperature, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a medium mixing bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually fold in the dry ingredients until fully combined. Stir in the chocolate chips until evenly distributed. Roll the dough into 1-inch balls and place them onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches of space between each cookie. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown and set. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. History and significance. Cookies have been a staple dessert in American culture since the colonial period. Early American settlers often baked small cakes or biscuits, which they called jumbles, as a sweet treat tea. Over time, the jumbles evolved into the cookies we know and love today. They became a popular dessert for soldiers during World War I and II, as they were easy to transport and provided ASO. In the post-war era, cookies became a symbol of American home cooking and were often served at family gatherings and community events. They were also a popular treat for children, who would. Today, cookies remain a beloved dessert in American culture and are enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. They can be found in a variety of flavors and varieties, from classic choco